use emisangirekano ya gisiasa, brand activation use emisangirekano ya cooperative egatiye chirudisho chinde chinyinge. Bono nigo twakoletere track yibwateli bagaliya eyekerero na bwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjugire ligo kwana nechinguru na bwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Janjere chi MC na bwigo track yana boko jitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amuneche county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street yagoteka babuna street endonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago ne byasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange.
Wairire biyana ndo mwancho murigere Getembe TV karibu sana ikiungane chinse komicha wono morogoba lituko lietichi kabere chitarike 25 nemo utinyo yega ogatano karibu asinchira yabene letariane Matilda Obaiga nyabuke ven kurwa ase ebimanyerero uchake kiunga kurwa chinse muchabo machoge ime ye county ya Kisii asebono mubere wo musacho yomo bimyaka yagatwa onyara gutoka asensemo gusepara mbarabare asepara ekurwa mugonga kugenda chinsemo cha Nyabisia nigo bono abobisa kurwa ase kyombe kerike okurubutuki sebikurwa byo busaria ya DCI na boigo kurwa ase urugunguru banyara utara aroro boigo kero banyara kulira buna mbache gukora ubutuki boikerano kumanya ninki kereto musacho yo gosire ubuguma bwaye asinchira enkabune yo na boigo abamate baye mbaravi
Alietangoro gutom yagako ndieki mo chairman yo Chamber of Commerce romambia twari rombo cyane munene somo cyumugonga omuntu tokire okweretwe omutaro ibe bramanya mange tokanyete disiao baiche baligere bamanye muntu kyoyo muntu ndora mutambwa igonto kanyeta abasigari kuwe section ya disiao baiche barore ngoyo sirerete omutaro
na amate ya mokora ase kenyorogia tente ime ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigobono egendete gusaba obokonyi asibono mugaka wenka eyo asireta James Masaki abiriga kurwara ase emyaka 11 wikira boniga ase gotebekana buna nigo anyariko baka kugenda sechinya gitari ekero ase kero wika bono anyariko molegeo wika atari gotara nekero batebire buna ekero obanyorete ekero ase wheelchair korende ebile nya gitari nigo egenderete gukina kigema basabire abarayikoro ase chinsemecho banyare gwesokia na kuba ogusira kwabo
uyu rwarite ntata obiriga kurwara for 11 years okorokoririru implant inye hip joint bono twatumire binte binge twatigaire busa
obaire gwetandika ase myaka 11 obari rukane oetire nyagetari terinda nyare goteba ngaye oetire Nyamira Busongo oetire baka wasisionsi baka bona chiteko enda se vitore ti private no abwa bareretwe bono tabwati kogora gosokere chuma garusibwa
tokwenda chinyagitari chinyinge buna bone twakorete Eldoret St. Luke Orthopedic and Trauma Hospital then ebiri ya nyagitari nero rire nene ekora mugako yobono iga usinyuru gutara no ari borire kurutuna twagachite yange 7 months tana kurum nyumba asoke gocha sumugaso tukaru 3 weeks ago nyakitari tana korra mugaso tana gusika
tukakwane so moisimi goyo minto pilimoni murara piemi kaki tu otoire gurichea tu akire ngambu ya mono na ende bu ya mono etari kwaera
bono tukariginga nyasaye ngo tukonya ari turige ewichea egere musoki kuru nyumba emorete isko then tuka reach out ya Filemon apiemi bagatuigwa bagacha n'abanyigitari babo bakarigereria umurwaire bakateba ni bwenereta wheelchair. Then I'm surprised, I'm so happy this morning twanyorire wheelchair bono mugaka nabagocha kurusi gunyumba are tusiko anyore umugaso bono igantu bwate oburemeru bwebiri ya nyagitari ira around $500,000 chiarenge 685 tugaka ni chinde bono igantu bwate sote chia 500 tugenderete gwakana
kaki twaremeru kibesa chiarenga batumekire nyagitari chiarire batarenge korora baminto buno yonde Steven Mugaka yabo yonde Nyaribo tiuki kaki bacha kaki batororere yabo yonde Cherusa mumanyi nabarukende igagaki nintu gaki mbago tosira gaki
bono we are appealing anyone who atwaro moyo bwanja atokonye namba yesim ere 0702 310 235 diete koleta Damaris Masaki.
Ukonyo bumuraya sikema gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bono agendete gusingirira kuria eira yaye yogoteba buna nigo ari tayari gukorera abakenya emirimo kaugwa no mugasorero kurwa ase abisi chinene chikyama ekyo gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo atebire erena chikonekia ubwasioku ase amatukale bosyo ekirara iwe ribaga gukora emirimo guse gukorera abakenya emirimo.
Niliwacha kazi yangu World Bank kuja kutafuta kura. Na sikuja kutafuta kura hapa kucheza cheza hivi. Vile mimi mnajua mimi sifanyangi kazi nusu na ushenzi namna hiyo. I believe in doing things properly. So, I am here. I'm available. Mimi niko hapa nataka tufanye maneno. Nawaambia wale mko kwa kijiji, wale mko mahali mko mnataka kupanga. This campaign is going to be ward based. We will drive this campaign at the ward level. We'll move house to house. It's going to be a ward based campaign. Na wale ambao wanapenda kuniambia eti huo ni mtu elitist, sijui nani hajafanya siasa, tutakutana kwa kijiji, tutafute kura, tuongee na wananchi, tutaonana huko. Msema kweli ni mwananchi na tutaenda pale tuzungumze na wananchi. Na kuna viongozi wengine wengi ambao wamezungumza na mimi wa Jubilee wanataka kuja. Hata kuna wengine wanakaa kama Nicodemus, wananiona usiku za ingine. Wanasema wanangoja August. Sijui ni kitu gani itafanyika August. Wanasema wanangoja August. Kati wa ile impeachment na maneno mengine itabadilika, wakuje tuende tutembee safari. We will, as Donald Trump says, we will win these seats in the wards, even in Nairobi and across the country. We will win and even get tired of winning. Tutashinda. I'm telling you. Kiona mood ya country vile iko na mazungumzo yale tuko nayo na watu, sisi hatupendagi kuringia watu kupiga. Sisi tunasema tukutane mahali kazi iko. Baadaye majibu itajisemea yenyewe. Ama namna gani?
Na chinga kecho nigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i aborira abakenya tibabasa gutwara ubwoba animuno kusiko bwatekana ne chinkwana ico chavere chikubwatokwa negati ya barai bo bale ime ye serikali igoro yo buchori obonene bole bosyo korengana na Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigate biro buchori nigo burabo bwasyoku igo abarai bali babwate chinkwana bagotabuna chikuranchi chikoibwa osemba chikulige chinjira chinde cyo kwenyorera ubugwi tinga amangana bunayo anyale gutuguterwale.
Isipotosha tutachaza. Utachaza wapi? Yeah. Unatoa wapi ya kujaza? Na saa hiyo sisi tuko wapi ukifanya hiyo? Hakuna. Msisikize, ambia watu wetu. Let me tell you my brothers and sisters, tutakutana wakati hakuna hizi makamera hizi na hizi vitu. Tuongee, tujipange vile tunapanganga kazi. Si hamjui kupanga kazi? Ile tunapanga kazi. In 2015, 2016 kila mtu alikuwa ananiambia unajua wewe simamisha wizi wa mtihani Kenya hii, unajua hii ni kitu kila mtu it's a 2.5 billion industry, the cartels are there. I said tukutane. Tuonane, tukutane. Tuone vile utaiba. Utaibia watu hiyo tuko wapi sio ukiiba. Tutakutana bila hii makamera, tupange kazi. Nyinyi endeni kila mtu fanya assignment yako. If you are running in your ward, make sure unalala, unaamka asubuhi, unalala ukijua my polling stations are this number and you know them, na unajua ni watu wangapi wamesajiliwa kupiga kura. The next 3, 4, 5 steps hizo tutaongea bila hizi. Vile tutapanga hiyo maneno ya kuchunga kura zetu. Alafu pia kwa constituency, wale ambao mnatafuta kiti ya constituency, this is serious business. Hatuchezi hapa. Hii ni kazi, tutaipanga mzuri. Tupate kura, tuende mbele. Kwa sababu tunatembea Kenya hii, kila mahali unaenda. Nduru ni hiyo, kila mtu anapiga. Dunia
na korwa ase wizara iliyo boremi ni gubona waziri bwensemeyo umuske mutaikawe anyare kwenekeria abakenya anamuno abaremi be sekta yemesivu na serikali nigo erigetie chinjira cyokora amonchorero elyo kwanekia obwene na boigo obwasyoku ase oboremi bwemesie ime yense ya Kenya kagwana mugasorero nigo chingekecho anyara kwera muna serikali nigo yabirige kwenana ebigwanda byogosie sukari gochase abonchoreria abanene abo banyare kwirera esekte yuko enyorera faida gentagoteba kirachi gokonya ensi ya Kenya na boigo abalemi bemesi na bali bose bakore emeremo ase chinsemecho amutuko aribosio.
In our model of management of sugar, we have chosen to lease those government owned factories to the private sector, and we have seen immediate benefits in the last 12 months only. We have seen the private sector change the plight of our farmers to beneficiaries and people who are liquid and can therefore participate in the larger economy that we run in our nation. We have also focused completely on the farmer. The farmer is the most important person in the sugar sector. And I say this without any fear of contradiction. These are the people that the governor was alluding to. These are the people who wake up in the morning. From the farmer, we have got the sugarcane cutters, people who are very efficient workers who cut sugarcane, and sometimes there are snakes in those places as well. I know that it is the same in your countries as well. But they are sugarcane cutters, whether mechanized or not mechanized. We know that there are workers who are in those sugar sectors. But there is a tendency for us globally, as a global community, to focus so much on the sweetness of sugar, on the trade of sugar, on how sugar, the commodity of sugar, that we forget that without those people, if we do not, as a global community, if we do not address the plight of the farmer, the plight of the sugarcane cutters and other sugarcane workers, if we do not focus and think about those people, then our industry can be threatened, not from outside.
Na sengane yo mukonye obo murai wense muske kidire kindiki nere na nyara kwera igati bitambukiro biri serikali egendete kwimukia iri okone kimna sekta eyo yemesi gosegosie sukari ime yense negenderete.
In this administration of William Ruto, President of Kenya, made a deliberate choice to transform this subsector in several ways. One, restructuring the Sugar Board to make it leaner, more transparent and more effective. Two, engaging with millers on clear performance standards. Three, bringing in the private sector to provide investments to run our sugar mills, as the Minister for Agriculture of the Republic of Kenya has just said. We have also, in this administration, initiated the revival of state-owned factories through leasing these factories to the private sector, which has attracted quite some serious private investments. We have worked to bring discipline and predictability to sugarcane pricing so that farmers can plan and invest in their farms with greater certainty. I am proud to report to you, delegates, that these efforts are beginning to bear fruit. Farmers are gradually gaining confidence in sugarcane farming. Investment interest is growing from our private sector. Output is improving. The planted acreage is increasing. And our national production is steadily on an upward trajectory.
Onche murigirire habono tukorere kionga chinse komicha bono maragoba kurende ayona yanda mangi no nyare kuyasanga iga wetera Getembe TV kionga chinsa ibiri chialero maragoba to basa Oscar endera kurigiriria moroberio ore bosio moroberio oburukania na nchenkuru kwa Matilda Ovoigwa na Veri Nyaboke kurwa sevi manyererio Kevin Ongeri kurwa ase studio akabere gendera utwara oburigirerio via